the Gallup Pakistan ECP candidates' assets and liabilities Power BI dashboard, offering a comprehensive overview of candidates from the 2018 general election in Pakistan based on Form B submissions to the ECP. Beginning with candidates' profile at a glance, this section delves into various demographic attributes such as gender, household members, NTN holders, tax payments, party donors, criminal records, passport holders, and international travelers. Easily filter candidates by province, division, district, or NA for a detailed view of election participants in your area. Now, onto criminal offenses. This category sheds light on the percentage of candidates with a criminal history, fostering transparency for informed decision-making. Now let's explore passport and travel abroad to discover the percentage of candidates with passports and international travel experience, offering insights into their global exposure. Next on the list is NTN and tax paid. This category provides insights into the NTN holders and tax payments made by candidates, offering a closer look at their financial obligations and compliance. Understand the fiscal responsibility of each candidate, crucial for assessing their financial transparency and commitment to civic duties. The next checkpoint is party donation, revealing data on candidates contributing to their political parties, providing valuable insights into their commitment and support. Last but not least, net assets. This category presents a clear picture of candidates' financial standing, helping you understand the net assets at their disposal. It also shows whether their wealth has increased, decreased, or remained the same in a year. Notwithstanding, we can also type the name of the candidate in the search bar to check the financial status of the candidate too. In conclusion, these 6 categories work seamlessly together, providing you with a powerful tool to evaluate candidates from the general elections of 2018. Let's dive into the details, compare the data, and make an informed decision on who you believe will best represent your interests in the upcoming general election 2024.